going to be able to enable your people to make decisions on the spot. I like to ask the question, from different board members when I'm speaking with them. It's like, how much better are you at decision making today than you were yesterday? And it really comes to that, like, how adaptive is your culture? How are you enabling your people to solve those problems? How are you enabling them to make those decisions? On what level? If you can bring that decision-making level down to where the work is happening, that's where the speed comes in. That's when you're making quick changes, and that makes it, again, meaningful for the people. So designing user interfaces, that user experience with the technology, they're not going to be these huge massive headsets forever.